How Tinubu abandoned Amaechi Ndume. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, the problem of the All Progressive Congress, the ruling party, it majorly dey come from within the party. Now members of the party and very senior members, now they attack the president consistently. And one of such persons, now a ranking senator, Ali Ndume, when in the claim say he does spend over 24 years for the National Assembly. If it not be one talk, it will be the other. And all now against President Bola Tinubu. For this story, the Borno South senator, he don dey explain how President Bola Tinubu they abandon Chibuike Amaechi after the 2023 presidential election. Una go recall, say Amaechi Rotimi, as dem know am well well, na former governor of Rivers State and also na an ally of President Muhammadu Buhari, and he serve as Minister of Transportation for the Buhari government. Ndume don dey talk say he be the Director General of the Rotimi Amaechi presidential campaign, and he lead the former Rivers State governor to second place during the All Progressives Congress primary election. He says since the general elections, Tinubu and Amaechi, when he be once political allies, say they no longer they see eye to eye. Can they confirm that view? Say politics now about interest. He say not be news again. Say Amaechi now they currently be one of the leading members of the national coalition of political leaders when they oppose President Tinubu return for 2027. As in they talk for one interview with Arise News, Ndume, when he talk on so many topics and subject, he dey explain, say Tinubu, he dey initially willing to meet with Amaechi and to involve am for in government after the election. Say but he can later abandon the move. Ndume is starting talk by telling people, he say he be 65 years old now, and he don dey for this business of politics for 24 years. He say God don give am everything. He say the only thing when he need to do right now, and he dey prepared to kpai as in dey do am, na to speak the truth and to do wetin correct, wetin dey right. According to am, yeah, we get 315 votes. He dey talk about the primaries when APC do for the 2023 election. He say we give them good fight, and then after that, we come think say things go on fine. He say actually he remember clearly, say Tinubu, the governor of Lagos, Sanwo-Olu, the current minister of defense, he say they come call am to tell am, say they wan come see am and Amaechi together. Say so they agree, and that time he say he remember he is supposed to go for Hajj for Mecca. He say so he can't go Hajj, and the president come talk say okay, we want make una come on board so that we go work together. He say they agree, And the council they also agree say they go meet, they go talk after him come back. Say as he return from Hajj, that meeting he never hold even till tomorrow. See that na how they abandon Amaechi. From this story, when Ali Ndume dey talk, e dey reveal the nitty-gritty when e dey inside this thing wey dey call politics. So e go dey apparent for somebody to conclude say okay, so all this they are distrust, all this are not dey fear to talk the truth, na because Tinubu e no meet their expectations, or e no call them, or e no involve them for in government as im promise them. That one come dey bring to the limelight say truly as people dey talk, politics na just about interest. That these politicians, especially the Nigerian kind of politicians, they not care about the people. They not care about the well-being of the country. All their interest na self. How they go fit take gratiate their desires. How only them and possibly their families go dey relevant for the scheme of things. People dey react to wetin Ndume dey talk. Say person wey don dey National Assembly since 1999, why e no go claim say God don give am everything wey e want? Whether e go fit point out one thing wey e don do for a constituency, that make dem no dey use the name of God because e dey lenient to take the witness against them, that they not deserve to be called politicians and political leaders for the country. So just imagine. So because Tinubu can't get second thoughts about to bring them into in government, that one can't bring the need for the hungry talk when Amaechi come dey talk for in 60th birthday. No, this person dey say na shame. Say this na the best wey Nigerians fit produce. Others too dey of the view say Amaechi don dey for government for 23 years plus, and they still dey expect say Tinubu go come bring am into governance. Say na wow. Honestly, na riwa. How Nigerians dey see this our political leaders? Are they really there for our interest, or na for their own interest?